We have developed a novel full renovation concept that harvests thermal and electrical energy from the full building facade, from roofs as well as windows.
60% of the energy demand of a house is needed for heating and cooling. So to harvest that energy, we need more surface area of the facade to harvest that energy. An energy-positive building is a building which harvests more energy than it uses.
We use the invisible part of the light we have from the sun. And because of that, we can use all kinds of colors, not only the black, which we are used with the PV panels, but also green or red or blue or gray.
I'm a tenant from Social Housing Corporation Trudeau, and I'm happy as my house is energy positive, free from gas, with a net zero energy bill, and who doesn't want that?
We not only made this facade, we made several facades. It's on the north and on the south. But what made it special is that we also made a little shed with it, and it's only the shed who produces the energy.
We want to implement these kind of technologies more or less for every house all over Europe.
The ENVISION project has created energy-positive buildings, and with that we can fulfill the 2030 energy ambition of the EU and reduce the greenhouse gas emissions.